In this video I will show how to use application for creating XSD file from Word documents. You can see on my computer I have a Word document file. I don't have a Word, it's a Word pod, and Word is or Office is not required for this conversion to work. And you can see I have data, and I would like to convert this data table into XSD format. So I could have XSD that I can validate and accept this data from. And conversion from like creating manually, if you have like a lot of tables, are tedious and requires careful formatting and all things. So I can do this with application. I will download and install from this website. I will leave link on website into description. To find application, I'll click on search and type XSD Word to XSD, right? And in this page, click on download. Wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer, which is momentarily. And I will click on downloaded zip file, double click on MSI inside archive and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And if I close everything, you can see I have a Word to XSD shortcut. Now, the important thing that if I have this Word file open anywhere in Word, I should close it, because Word is actively locking file and preventing any application from accessing it. So if this file is open into Word and I'm trying to convert it, I will get error like, hey, close this file into other applications because I cannot access it. This is like Microsoft and Windows thing. They like to lock files, and yeah. And the thing is, so here is how to work, how it works. I will click on shortcut, navigate to my Word file, and it's called states, right? States doc. Click on open, click on next. Obviously first row of the input file has column names. Sometimes it doesn't have column names in it, first row, but in my case it's first row has column names, and normally it is, so I will keep it checked. Click on next. Here I can preview my XSD, and you can see it creates schema with all fields in it, right? And with the types, and create entity, and even create sample of XML file that will be result of this converting this data into XML, and that file, XML file, will be validated over this XSD. So I will click on save result. It's asking me for location, for folder where to put all these files it's created, and let's put them into documents. Documents is okay. Click OK, and you can see it created two files, XSD and XML. Let's go and open them. So I can open this file with XML viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of XML and presenting it as a table. You can see XML is exactly my data. And also I can export this XML into different format, but not the point. Let's open it with Notepad+. For example, you can see that this is XML, normal XML. And for XSD, I also have XSD viewer. It's showing schema like in table, and I also can export into different formats. But let's open it into Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside we have schema, with everything added. We have unbounded, we have a sequence, so all this record, all this XML can be validated against this XSD. So yeah, basically that's it. So I had experience of converting entire Word specification into XSD, so it's really helpful for me and was really helpful, and this is why I have this app. And if you want to convert it into, if you want to simplify document to schema conversion, reduce manual work, make structured data preparation easier, and if you're a developer, data process professional, or XML specialist, or working with document automation, this tool will make process of conversion very convenient. And yeah, so basically that's it. If you give it a try, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you.